Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be showing how you can use Mendeley for index citation and adding bibliography for your thesis or project related work. So let's begin the video. For first using Mendeley, you need to have two accounts. One is Elsevier and Microsoft, because we are using MS Word to add the citations. This is one of the easiest way that I know. In case in future, if I find any other easiest way, I would be happy to update for you guys. And so let's begin. So first you can do search Mendeley. So first we will do the login. So this is the site that it will show you. I have already logged in. What I'll do is I'll do a sign out and I'll show you how you can create an account. So you'll find create account. Once you have done, it will show you sign in. I already have an account, so it shows like this. For if you're using for the first time, you can click on try another account, add your email ID. I'm just adding randomly, and so I'll click on continue, and you can write your name, a family name, and you can add your password and click on register. Once you enter, it will show you register. As I've already have an account, I'll just click on that, and I also have some passwords associated with it. So give me a second, I'll just enter. So yeah, so my account has been signed in, which is Hiranyati, and library is something where you can add all your references. So if you see, I've already added one reference. What I'll do is I'll just delete it so I can show you the others. Here, whatever you have added, the references which you will be seeing how to add in the later end of the video, that all will be in the library. You can add directly from here, like importing the files, importing a folder, or you can add manually, but I will be showing with the web importer. For downloading a web importer, type Mendeley in the search bar. So you will find www.mendeley.com and few citations, few dashboards. The one is Mendeley site and web importer. So first we'll download the web importer. So basically, what is web importer? It imports the references from your search engine. Like right now I'm using Safari, and if at all you have Chrome or Google, that will work for the same too. So if you see in the search bar, as of now there is only one extension. This is called basically extension. This is for Notion. And now what I'll do is I'll download here, let it download. So once it's downloaded, so you can see a extension added already here. Done. So what you can do is, this is the extension. Click on the extension. Whatever you have priorly added, that will be saved here. Okay, so you need not to again add the sign-in details. In case if it is not added automatically, you can do manually, but with the details that you have entered from the beginning Elsevier account. Okay, this is the first step that you need to remember. The second step is what we need is Mendeley site. Basically, the Mendeley site will connect the Word and the Mendeley account. Okay, so click on get Mendeley site. Get it now. So you can add your account. So I already have a Microsoft account, so I'm just adding my details, and I'll click on S, and this will redirect to your Microsoft account. So it will show you to connect. So you can just enter your country name and click on get it now, and it's done and it's ready to use it. So you can just click on open in Word. So it has opened. So you can see it's already connected because you have already signed in, right? So how you will find example, I'll click on home. So imagine I'll click on a new document. What you can do is click on references, then you will find Mendeley Cite. Okay, these are the two things that you need to do in the starting. So the second part will be how you can use Mendeley for citation. So you have seen how you need to register, what all the needs that you are required to use it. So let's begin and do the citation process. So usually you have, when you are writing a thesis, when you are writing a review of literature, you might have articles that have been selected prior, right? You can go to that, whatever the selected articles. Example, this is one article that I have selected, culture and food security. So what I need to do is, this is the article that I want. Now click on Mendeley web extension on the top. So then it will show you culture and food security, the same paper. If you don't want, like you want, so that's how you have clicked. So click on add Mendeley. It also shows some of the papers that are related to the topic. So if at all you wanted to go and read, you can go and read to find out new papers. So I'll also add two more paper, probably the ecological role of biodiversity in the ecosystems. So this is also the paper that I wanted to include, just for reference based. And what I'll do is I'll click on it, add to Mendeley. Okay, so whatever the papers that you are writing in your thesis, you need to add to the Mendeley. That is the easiest job that you need to do. Once it's done, what you need to do is go back and in the Word document, example, this is the document that you need to write. So you have a lot of stuff that has already been written. So once you have written whatever the stuff that you have, what you need to do is, now you need to add citation. So first will be your in-text citation. Example, this is my first sentence that I have took. And so what I need to do is click on Mendeley Cite. Whatever you have added over there, that will reflect here. Basically this happens because of the syncing. Sometimes if automatic sync doesn't happen, what you can do is, after reference citation settings, there is a sync button. Click on sync. It does automatically when you're opening again and again, but sometimes it doesn't, so you can do it manually. So these are the two articles that I have added, right? Imagine the first sentence that I have took from the culture and food security. Click on insert citation. Once it should end with the full stop after adding the in-text citation. This is what you need to remember. This is the first sentence. Now I have second sentences that I have took from the ecological role of biodiversity in agro-system. Again, I will do insert citation. Click on it and click add full stop. And you need to remember, give a space after the sentence. Now same again, you can add n number of multiple sentences from the review articles that you have or the papers that you found out. Again, what I'll do, I'll show you. Okay, so I wanted third paper to be added. I'll just go down. Ecological intensification, harnessing ecosystem services for food security. So this is the paper that I want to add for the one more line that I have took. So you can see ecological intensification. Click on add Mendeley. Now I'll go back to the Word. So you can see ecological intensification, harnessing ecosystem has been already added. So this is my third sentence that I have took from ecological intensification, add it. So this will be your int text citation. So now imagine now you need to add bibliography at end. So click on the three dots, insert bibliography, continue. So wherever you keep your cursor, there it will show the bibliography. Done. So now I want to change the citation settings. So what you can do is, right now it is in APA. Imagine I want it in IEEE. Click on update citation. It will be automatically done. You need not to manually do things. You need not to arrange according to the alphabets. It does automatically. Fine. So imagine I wanted to convert into any other American sociological. I can update, and probably I want to do MLA Chicago style, Chicago manual style, update. See, so that's how this does automatically. Whenever you are adding, you can change the fonts. If you don't know what font you need to use, you can watch my previous video, so you'll get to know how to write a thesis paper or a project. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and you'll get more interesting videos that will be useful for your college life. Thank you.